Ants may be tiny, but they are incredibly strong. They can lift up to 50 times their body weight. That's like a human lifting a whole truck. Their strength comes from their muscle structure and small size, and they use it daily to carry food, move debris, and protect their colony. Dragonflies have nearly 360-degree vision thanks to their huge, multifaceted eyes. These eyes are made up of thousands of tiny lenses, allowing them to see almost everything around them at once. This incredible vision helps them spot prey like mosquitoes and flies from nearly any angle, while also keeping an eye out for predators. Combined with their agile flying skills, dragonflies are some of the most efficient and precise hunters in the insect world. Some species of frogs have an incredible survival trick. They can freeze completely during the winter and survive. Their bodies essentially shut down as ice forms around them, and their heart and breathing stop temporarily. Special chemicals in their bodies act like antifreeze, protecting their cells from damage. When temperatures rise again, the frogs thaw and return to normal activity as if nothing happened. This amazing ability allows them to survive in freezing climates where most animals couldn't. Chameleons are famous for changing color, but it's not just for camouflage. Their color shifts often reflect their mood, temperature, and social signals. For example, a chameleon might display bright colors to attract a mate or show dominance, while darker colors can indicate stress or submission. These changes are made possible by special cells called chromatophores in their skin, which expand or contract to produce different colors. This remarkable ability makes chameleons one of the most visually dynamic reptiles in the animal kingdom. Sea turtles have an amazing built-in navigation system that allows them to travel thousands of miles across the ocean. They can sense the Earth's magnetic field and use it like a natural compass, helping them know their location and direction even in the vast, featureless open sea. This magnetic sense is so accurate that adult sea turtles can return to the exact beach where they were born to lay their eggs, sometimes after decades of being away. Their ability to read the planet's magnetic map makes them one of the most remarkable navigators in the animal world. Gila monsters have a clever way of storing energy for tough times. They keep extra fat in their tails. This stored fat works like a built-in emergency supply, giving them the fuel they need when food is scarce. During long, hot periods or in seasons when prey is hard to find, they can rely on this reserve to survive for months without eating much. This adaptation is especially useful in the harsh desert environments where they live, helping them conserve energy and endure challenging conditions. Elephants are incredibly intelligent creatures, and one of the most fascinating examples of their smarts is that they can actually recognize themselves in a mirror, a trait that very few animals in the world possess, showing that they have a sense of self-awareness similar to humans. Bats are the only mammals in the entire animal kingdom that have evolved the ability to truly fly, using their specially adapted wings, which are actually elongated fingers covered with a thin layer of skin, allowing them to navigate the night sky with incredible precision and agility. Sloths may seem slow and sleepy, but they have an incredible hidden talent. These laid-back animals can actually hold their breath underwater for up to 40 minutes, which is even longer than dolphins, thanks to their extremely low metabolic rate that allows their bodies to conserve oxygen far more efficiently than most other mammals. Tigers are famous for their bold, striking fur patterns, but what many people don't realize is that their stripes go much deeper. Their skin is striped as well, meaning each tiger carries a completely unique pattern that stays with them even if all their fur were to be shaved, almost like a natural fingerprint. Kangaroos have powerful hind legs and a large, muscular tail designed perfectly for hopping forward at high speed, but this unique body structure also means they physically cannot walk backward, making them one of the few animals in the world that are built to move only in one direction, forward. Whales possess some of the most powerful vocal abilities in the animal kingdom, producing low-frequency sounds that can travel through the dense ocean water for hundreds of miles, allowing them to communicate with other whales across vast distances in ways that seem almost like a natural form of underwater long-range messaging. Despite being one of the strangest and most fascinating animals on Earth, the platypus becomes even more unbelievable when you learn that it doesn't have a stomach at all. Its esophagus connects directly to its intestines, meaning it skips the entire digestive chamber that most animals rely on, adding yet another unusual twist to an already extraordinary creature. Koalas may look cuddly and harmless, but one of the most surprising things about them is that they have fingerprints so incredibly similar to humans that even forensic experts can have trouble telling them apart, making these tree-dwelling marsupials unexpectedly capable of leaving crime scene evidence nearly indistinguishable from our own. A newborn kangaroo, known as a joey, is astonishingly tiny, so small that it's actually smaller than a jelly bean, and when it's born in this underdeveloped state, it must crawl its way into its mother's pouch, where it continues to grow and develop in safety for several months before ever seeing the outside world.